Prompt engineering is dead. In 2026, we don't talk to AI. We manage fleets of autonomous agents that execute 24-hour work cycles while we sleep. The era of the assistant is over. The era of the actor has begun. Here is how you build your AI workforce. Imagine a world where your computer doesn't wait for instructions. It anticipates needs, coordinates complex logistics, and executes multi-step projects without a single human prompt or intervention. We have transitioned from the era of linear chat to agentic workflows. The static chatbot is a relic of the past, replaced by dynamic, self-correcting digital entities. This is the rise of agentic AI. It is no longer about getting a better answer. It is about achieving a finished product through autonomous, goal-oriented execution. To understand this shift, we must look at the technical demystification of architectural shifts occurring in the newest AI trends and massive industrial-scale implementation strategies today. A classical AI is like a digital calculator. It needs every input provided. An agentic AI is like a seasoned chief of staff who understands your intent. The trajectory toward the singularity is accelerating as these exponential technologies move from simple text generation to complex real-world case studies of industrial-scale AI implementation and success. We are witnessing a 95% reduction in task latency. Projects that once took weeks of back-and-forth communication are now completed in minutes by interconnected autonomous agent fleets. At the heart of this revolution are A2A Protocols, Agent-to-Agent Communication. These systems allow different AI models to negotiate, trade data, and solve problems without human oversight. This shift requires redefining business models and optimizing operations. Strategic insights are now focused on how to integrate these autonomous actors into existing corporate structures for maximum efficiency. Digital resilience is now defined by how well a company can cultivate a culture of innovation while managing a workforce that never eats, sleeps, or loses focus. Think of your business as a digital realm. Fortification and protecting critical assets become paramount as agents handle increasingly sensitive data and execute high-level financial and strategic transactions. The managerial elite of 2026 are not those who code, but those who oversee. Your value is now measured by your ability to orchestrate these agentic swarms. We must track the trajectory of these exponential technologies. The goal is the singularity, where AI potential enhances human capability to a point of total industry reshaping. Foundational knowledge in data safeguarding is the bedrock of this new economy. Maintaining operational integrity ensures that your autonomous workforce remains a secure and productive corporate asset. Identifying sector-specific growth opportunities requires looking at disruptive startups that are building the poor connective tissue for these AI agents to navigate the physical and digital worlds. Implementation of resilient infrastructures is the only way to follow IT best practices in this era. Without a stable foundation, the speed of agentic AI becomes a liability. Let's look at the threat. If you continue to treat AI as a glorified search engine, your competitors will use agents to outpace your production by magnitudes. The opportunity is the strategic frontier. By delegating the doing, humans are finally free to focus exclusively on the deciding and the high-level creative vision of industry. Deep analysis shows how AI enhances human potential. It acts as a force multiplier, allowing a single entrepreneur to manage the output equivalent to a traditional mid-sized corporation. We are seeing architectural shifts that move away from single large models toward ecosystems of specialized agents. Each agent is a master of one specific, narrow professional domain. One agent might handle market research, another drafts the strategy, while a third executes the digital marketing, all communicating through lightning-fast agent-to-agent protocols without a single human email. This is the mastery of digital transformation. It is about more than just software. It is about redefining what a worker is in the context of 2026. Leading global insights suggest that protecting these digital assets is the primary concern for CEOs. If an agent is your worker, its security is your business continuity. We are moving from a world of search to a world of service. You don't search for a flight, your agent negotiates the seat and books the trip. To stay ahead, you must identify disruptive startups that are providing the tools for agentic oversight. These are the companies that will become the next tech giants. The batch of new AI developments shows that the limit is no longer the technology, but our own ability to imagine new workflows and delegable professional tasks. Industrial-scale AI implementation is proving that agentic systems can manage supply chains with more precision and less waste than any human-led department in history to date. We must implement resilient infrastructures now. The complexity of these agentic networks requires a level of IT best practice that was previously reserved for high-security government installations. Safeguarding data is no longer a checklist. It is an active, agent-led defense mechanism. Digital realm fortification happens in real time, matching the speed of potential automated cyber threats. The trajectory is clear. The singularity isn't just a future event, it's a process we are living through as AI moves from a tool to an autonomous actor. Strategic insights from top management reviews emphasize that the shift to agentic workflows is the most significant change in business operations since the Industrial Revolution began. If a classical computer is a librarian looking at one book, an agentic AI is a team of researchers writing a new book based on every library exists. Your role as a leader is to become the ultimate curator. You set the goals, define the ethics, and provide the resources. The agents handle the rest autonomously. Cultivating a culture of innovation means encouraging your human staff to stop performing tasks and start designing systems. This is the heart of true digital resilience today. Technical demystification reveals that the newest architectural shifts allow agents to learn from each other as mistakes in real time, creating a hive mind of professional expertise and operational efficiency. We are seeing real-world case studies where agentic fleets have reduced product development cycles from years to months, completely disrupting traditional manufacturing and software development sectors globally. High-level data on protecting critical assets shows that the most successful firms in 2026 are those that treat their AI agent logic as their most valuable intellectual property. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about survival. In a market moving at agentic speeds, the slow and the manual will simply cease to be competitive or relevant. Use foundational knowledge to maintain your integrity. Understand how your agents work, what data they access, and how they make decisions to ensure your enterprise remains truly yours. The opportunity is here. You can build a global empire from a single desk by leveraging the power of autonomous execution and agent-to-agent communication protocols starting today. Stop prompting. Start delegating. The rise of the agentic AI is the dawn of a new era of human potential, where your only limit is your strategic vision. The future belongs to the managerial elite. The workforce of 2026 is ready and waiting for your command. It is time to lead the autonomous revolution. Don't just witness the future, lead it. Subscribe to the channel and turn information into power. Knowledge is your greatest asset, powered by generative AI architecture.